Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a BoxyCharm unboxing. I like watching these videos on YouTube, so I figured maybe you guys would. I got some good response back on my Instagram stories, so people seem like they want to see what it is, and obviously this isn't sponsored. I'm just doing this for fun. And if you guys like it, great. If you don't, tell me you don't. I don't care. It's really hard waiting to not open this right when I get it. But yeah, so also I filmed this look and that will be coming up soon. So stay tuned for that. So let's jump in to February's BoxyCharm. Hopefully it's good. This is when I didn't open it all the way. Whoops. My scissors. I need like an actual box opener. Nope, got it. Okay. Oh, bitch. Okay. Let me take all the things out. Wait, what? Usually it comes with a little card. There's no card. Usually it comes literally with like this little card and it tells you what you got and what it costs. So I wasn't preparing for that. Okay, well, let's just wing it, and then what I'll do is I'll link all these things down below so you guys can see, and I'll total it up later because I'm not doing that right now. Okay, cool. So it looks like I got a Kat Von D cake pencil, intensely rich eyeliner in Trooper Black. Perfect. I like black eyeliner. Never tried Kat Von D, but this is what it looks like. This is a little box. Pretty cute. So it's like a little pencil. This is nice. Okay. To give that a whirl. Next, oh, I love eye creams. I've been really into it lately because I smile way too much. Such a bad thing to do, people. And I'm getting really like wrinkly. So this is Intensive Eye Cream, or Intensive Eye Care Day and Night Eye Cream from QMS. Pretty cute little package. Let's see. Nice little seal top. Like to smell stuff. Feels nice. It gives you a good amount of product too, so I've never heard of this brand. 0.5 fluid ounces, so this will probably last a while. Cool, I can't wait to try that. I also got a 4-in-1 correcting primer from Pure. Energize and Rescue with aloe, coconut water, and probiotics. Silicone free. Never tried Pure, and I'm like experimenting with primers. Kind of use the same thing over and over again. So this will be fun. I'm interested in trying this. It's like a pretty little packaging. Let's just feel it. Ooh. It's like a white to clear consistency. Feels nice. Smells nice. I'm not good at describing how things smell, but it's like fruity. Fruity florally. Ooh, I like this so far. So I try not to watch other people's BoxyCharms because I feel like I'm gonna get the same exact thing, even though I'm not. This feels really nice, by the way. I really like that. Okay. So I tried not to. I watched a few, but it's cool because you don't get what everybody else gets, so that's nice. So I got Ciate London Everyday Vacay. This is a coconut setting powder. Ooh, this is a good little box. I'm excited. I like BoxyCharm because you can try new things, and it's only, I pay $25 a month. I did a mixture of skincare and makeup as well. So this is the little packaging. And it's a coconut setting powder. Sealed up. I'm not even going to open it yet, but I will try this. I like powders. I'm an oily person, so I like to try all the powders. So that's cool. And then lastly, the box comes with like 5 products. So this is the last product. Some more brushes. And these are actually really nice. They have these nice little like shapers on here. This is a bronzer brush. I'd probably use it more for like foundation, I guess. Could try bronzing with it. It's weird. It's got like little like bumps on it. Almar. Never heard of them, but they're very soft. Let's see the next one. So this is like a blush brush. Same color scheme. Very pretty. I like these. And then we got what's probably like a liquid brush, a brightening blush. So you could use powder or you could kind of use it with liquid, almost like foundation. Awesome. Okay, so that's everything I got. I'm a little disappointed that I didn't get that card because it tells you what everything is. And I could have read it off and told you guys, but don't have it. So yeah, I'll link it all down below. Leave me a comment. Let me know if this is cool. This is fun if you guys like this. And if you don't, I won't do it because I won't have to wait and I can open it the second I get it. But if you like it, I will start doing more of this. So let me know what you think. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.